What's up guys, it's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair, giving you a quick tool review on some Endeavor Tools rods. We've got a 30-inch rod here. This is probably my most used rod from Endeavor Tools. It's got the slide handle, which I really like. Actually, this slide handle came on this 50-inch rod that I have back here, but I use this 30 so much, I decided to put it on here. A couple key features I really like about this out in the field. Angled tips. No one else in the industry is doing this. What I like a lot is when you're in the roof and you're working, here's a brace here, and you're working it from the back side. Same thing here, if you're trying to get close to a brace, you can work it from the front side. It's so unique. It's got a nice billet aluminum end. This is all aluminum, so it's super light. And the strength of them, very minimal bend, very minimal flex. A lot of rods, when they're in the hanger, they slide around because they kind of roll on that hanger. This stays put because it is square. The end is machined plastic, ABS plastic with his name in it. But this thing is a beast. This 50-inch rod, which that slider will fit on here without a problem. It'll slide right on. And it's got the same features with the tips. Tilted, angled back, angled forward, and it has the two standards. Here's another rod I use quite a bit for roofs, lift gates of trucks, of like SUVs. Super versatile, super light. I mean, this thing is, there's no weight to it. You know, back in the day, you used to have some rods that were heavy and you'd have to drag them around. These things stay in my truck all the time. No complaints. I mean, I have no real life using at least once a week complaints on this product. So check them out, Endeavor Tools. Chad's an awesome guy. He's just a dent guy that came up with a great idea, and it's cost effective. So check them out.